Thanks for logging on to the PawCast for the week of Monday, September 8th through Friday the 12th. Hi, I'm Mr. Andrews.
And I'm Mrs. Williams.
And here's what's happening on our team this week.
In reading this week, we're going to be looking at weather. Our first unit is going to center around weather disasters. We'll be visiting the library to learn about PSAs, public service announcements, and learning about researching and citing sources and making sure that we are staying on topic. We'll also be working on our maps and finishing those up. Our maps, which students will have time to finish in class, will be due on Friday.
The word in math this week is decimals. Last week, place values. This week, decimals, because we reintroduced the tenths and hundredths, and now we're going to talk specifically about the thousandths as well. We'll discuss the relationship between two place value positions on Monday, speaking specifically towards decimal place values, and then on Tuesday we'll talk about the powers of 10 and exponents. On Wednesday and Thursday we'll start talking about multiplication patterns with decimals, and then on Friday we'll discuss division patterns with decimals. This week we are working with our NFL football graphs. Your student has chosen a team, and we're going to begin following that team's score, their opponent's score, and how many wins and losses that they accumulate. Now, we'll talk more specifically as the semester goes through, but I'll be collecting these graphs that your students are going to be building with this information on the 7th week, and I will collect them at the end of the second quarter. And both of those times that I collect, I will be giving your student 2 test grades, one for the bar graph they're going to create and one for the line graph that they're creating. So we'll talk more specifically as time draws closer, but right now we're just collecting some data from your student's team. And now for the bonus question. This week's bonus question is asking again another opinion about you. We would like to know, what is your favorite hobby to do once you leave school? We look forward to finding out what it is you most enjoy once you leave school, and don't make it homework and don't make it schoolwork. What else in your life, I know those weren't on the top, but what else in your life do you enjoy doing? And let's limit it to the number one thing. Let's all have a great week together, and let's all get the big paw.